Hello, hello.
Hello.
Hello, Jagdish. This is Jagmohan.
Yeah, hi Jagmohan.
So, anybody else need to join this call?
No, it was a discussion between you two. I don't know if Balaji would have wanted to join. I'm not sure.
So, can you call him and ask whether he's joining? He might have joined in Skype link. Ask him join in
I don't
this.
have his contact details. Can you please ask him?
यार मेरे पास तो नहीं है उसका डिटेल्स. Hello, hello.
Hello.
Yeah, let me then how to reach out to him. I don't know. So he must have joined. So will I start with you?
Yeah. Let's start. If he joins, then
So you will be developing the system, no?
yeah.
Okay. Just give me a minute. Okay. Can you see my screen? Hello.
Yeah. Hi.
So basically this is the SAP C4C CRM system. Okay. This
Okay.
is the admin side system. Okay. So here what you do, you used to use accounts, then
Mhm.
uh, then you create leads. Okay.
Hello.
Hello Balaji, Jagmohan here.
Hi. Sorry for late. I got some trouble in connecting. So
Okay, sir. So can you able to see my screen, Balaji?
yes. Jagmohan, I was trying your number. You're saying unreachable in your sig.
No, might have we have reached the wrong number. Okay,
No, in
so
your
my number
signature,
is
I got that number
no.
because
That was not reachable. I was that was Airtel. Now I'm using Geo.
oh, okay. Because at half at 12 o'clock, I tried connecting. I couldn't connect. Then I thought trying reaching you. So it was saying unreachable. So then I tried Janamani as well. Then now I'm able to connect.
Okay.
So did I miss anything by the way?
No, nothing. We have just started.
So we
So I
Okay.
so sorry, but I have another call at 12:30. I just quickly
Oh,
go through the system. Okay.
okay. Okay.
And see, this is the SAP C4C CRM system. Okay, what we are using now in our company. Okay, that is for EBS you are using this. For application side you are using this. For South Africa team also using this. So here you used to create accounts. Okay,
okay.
so this is the account section. Account section when you create a new account, usually goes to this section. So this is the form for accounts. Okay. So name, what is the
Account for
name?
a particular customer, right?
Correct. So actually this is the admin screen. So every salesperson has their individual screen, okay, with restricted access, role based access,
Hmm.
okay.
Got it. Yeah.
Since I am managing this tool, so I have the view for all. Okay, but for the sales guy, they have the only view for accounts, leads, and opportunities, and some other tab. Okay, not for reporting, not for anything else. Hello, hello.
Yeah. Got it. Over.
So this is the basically what is the name of the customer, what is the client hierarchy. Okay, name of the customer means if it is suppose Nalco. So Nalco is a customer. So you mentioned what is the name of the Nalco name over here. So you have to mention, is it an end client? Is it a primary partner? Is it a secondary tertiary partner? Then say if it is an Nalco, you are supporting directly Nalco, then you have to mention this is end client. If you are supporting Nalco through some third party vendor, then you have to mention primary partner. If you something in a chain wise, okay, if you are not direct, then you have to automatically do everything. State, phone number, email ID of the company. What is the phone number of the company? Okay, so after creation of this account, so usually what we do, so check for duplicates. Can you able to see my screen?
Yeah. We're able to see you.
So if you see right hand side below corner, so there is an option for check for duplicates. Okay. So when after entering all these details, sales people check if the accounts exist in our system or not. If it is existing, then there is no need to enter. Okay, because one salesperson, there might be two salesperson chasing for one account. But if whoever has reached out the first to the salesperson and have created account, his account belongs to that. Okay, so he cannot create another salesperson cannot create same account in his name. So here you have to check the duplicates. So this is the duplicate part.
Got it.
Sorry, sorry. Hello, hello.
Yes.
Yeah. Continue.
So this is a part of duplicate. Okay. So after creation of account, I'm not creating. Since it is a production system, I'm not creating any new account. I'm just showing what has already been created. Okay. So suppose one account I'm showing SAB India. Okay. So SCB India. Okay. So this account created. So once it get created, so you have to mention other information in the accounts. Okay. So there are lot of tabs in accounts. Okay. There is opportunities. Okay, these opportunities will come later part. Okay, so what are the activities in the account? Okay, first of all you want to know who are there in the account team. First of all, if see there is a pre-sales guy, okay, who supports a salesperson. Okay, so suppose there is a who is so suppose Hero from your group is leading OMC sales people. Okay, sales business. Then in his team, there's somebody like Chinmay who is doing the bid management. Okay, so he want to add his name into his team in this account. Okay, because all the bids that coming for OMC would be supported by Chinmay. Okay, so here the party role for the support guy, you have to mention the bid management, delivery, employee sales role, pre-sales role, sales, specialist sales, all this. Then once you create, one member will be added to this group. Okay. Later on, you can give the access, view access for those pre-sales or bid management guy only to view. Okay, these are all the sales new opportunities I am working for themselves, keep themselves. Okay, this is the opportunities I am currently working because sales people have entered. This is the objective. So then you have to mention the relationship. Then you have to mention the address. Okay, what is the address of the customer? You have to mention the contacts. This is the major thing. Okay, so all the salespeople have to enter the contact list of the customer, because this you will build our database for the future. If salespeople resign, later on you can use the same database to connect with customer. So they have to mention what is the customer name, what is their number, what is the mail ID, what is the mobile number, what is the department he belongs to HR, admin, financial, human resource. This is the list of department a customer might have. Okay, and what is the function he belongs to. Whether he's an audit manager, he's a functional consultant, or he is a business manager, whether he's a CEO, CHO, anybody from customer side whom the sales people getting connected for the business. This is all about the accounts. So same thing, coming to appointment, also you can create an appointment over in the CRM. So suppose you want to create an appointment for an account, stating that I am going to meet this account for these opportunities on this date and time. So everything should be recorded on the CRM. Okay, so
Okay,
sorry.
yeah, continue.
So this is the form. What are the details need to be entered basically in a CRM? What is the account? So what is the subject of the appointment with customer? Who is the account? Who is the primary contact? Where is the location? Is it a all day event or the someday event? If it is all day event, start date, end date, and with along the time. Category of visit, annual visit, customer request, you have visited on customer request, marketing के लिए आप गए हो, you can have a meeting, product presentation के लिए if you want to present something on your product side, you have went there. Service order, if you have raised some service order discussion, then you can put that. Telephonic call, WhatsApp call, all these details. So then you have to mention what is the priority of this meeting, immediate, low, normal, urgent, you have to mention. So name, then you have to mention this by owner would be by default the sales people would be coming on the respective screen. Then appointment ke baad you can go for tasks. So what all are tasks you have for this account for this week, you have to mention. These are all the tasks you can mention. These are all tasks, high priority tasks. You can define your task also. So you can mention team calendar also over here. So based on appointments and tasks, the team calendar will set up like Outlook we build, no? So team calendar will be in the similar way. If a sales team is using as a whole this system, then they will see each other calendars on the screen. So there is a dashboard over here. So dashboard you will come to later part. Now I am taking you to the lead. Okay. So the first first part of the CRM, when you open the in a CRM, any salesperson, he has to check first the account is created or not. If account is not created, then he has to create the account at first. If account is already created, then he has to check whether the opportunities in that account is a lead or this is a opportunities. It is not in the lead stage. It is already converted to the opportunities. If it is a lead stage, this initial discussion going on with customer, then he or she has to put the opportunities as a lead. So there is a lead form here. Okay, so this is a lead category. You have to mention lead category. Whether since we have 4-5 department in our organization, whether the lead category is application type, whether it's infrastructure type, whether it is a SAP type, it is a blockchain type. You have to mention the name of the customer over here. Just not, yeah, name of the opportunity. I think this is the name of the opportunities. Account is, you have to mention the account, customer account here on the drop down. So there, if you drop down the list of accounts, all the approved account will come here. Okay. So these are all approved. So there is an admin who is working on this tool who approve all these accounts, because once when, sorry,
one customer account can have multiple leads, right?
yeah, multiple leads or multiple opportunities.
Yeah.
Okay, and having multiple one account might have multiple leads or multiple opportunities. One opportunities might have multiple account owners. You got my point. Opportunities owner, not account owners, opportunities owner. You got my point. You understand my?
Yeah, got it.
Could you please repeat that? You say multiple opportunity can lead to?
See, one account might have multiple leads or multiple opportunities. Okay.
Yes, that's understood. Yes.
Or else, when account is created, okay, account owner is one. Okay, account, we cannot change the account owner. Account owner will be one, but there should be multiple opportunities with multiple opportunities owner. Got my point?
So how the mapping then? Multiple accounts, multiple opportunity.
Suppose I have to give you an example. Suppose Khirod is account owner for OMC. Okay.
Okay.
So Khirod, under Khirod, there might be 2 or 3 sales purpose person who is supporting Khirod. Okay. But they have also their targets, the supporting sales guys. Okay. Okay. So in that case, they will support sales guy will say, no, I want to create an opportunities in my name in Khirod account. Okay. Got my point. Okay. So if Khirod comes and create an opportunities, that's okay. He's account owner, he will be opportunity owner. But if anybody who is supporting sales in a Khirod account, by taking approval from management has told that sales guy to work in a Khirod account or something, then he has to create an opportunities in his name in Khirod account. Got my point? Account owner will be the Khirod, but opportunities owner will be the X guy. Okay. Got my point?
Okay.
Yeah. So that is what I want to say. So here the lead category come. So this is the qualification level. What is qualification lead? Is it cold, hot, and warm? You have to mention. You have to mention status. Is it attempt to contact, close lead, contacted in future, contacted, junk lead, lost lead, non-contacted, qualified. Okay, if it is qualified, you have, unless you put is qualified and hot. Okay, until unless you choose these two options. Okay, qualified and hot, you cannot convert this lead directly into the opportunities. Okay, so once you I have to show an example. So this is the edit option. Suppose I'm choosing hot and qualified. Okay, I'm saving it. Then an action, see, once I choose hot and qualified, see on the action button. Okay, and one option generated, convert to opportunities. Okay, enable to see. Hello.
Yeah, I saw that.
So once you click on this opportunities, convert to opportunities, it will take to this form. Okay. It will take to the opportunities form. You have to enter all these details in opportunities form from here on, and you save it. Okay. So since I'm not the production system, I'm not making any changes and keeping it as it is. Then you come to opportunities. Okay. So in opportunities, this all if you want to create the new opportunities, here the type of opportunity type mentioned. Here the account you have to create. Okay. All account will come. So, one thing you have to note. Okay. So who will be the admin for this tool? He has to approve once the sales has created the account. He has to approve the account. He has to go through the list whether it is a not a duplicate. If it is not a duplicate, then he will approve, and he will see other information are correctly filled or not in account section. Then he will approve. Until unless he approve, the account will not reflect in the drop down in the opportunities field or the lead field. Okay. Then he has to give the owner. The owner will be coming by default. If it is not coming, the salesperson has to choose from the drop down. Then he has to mention the sale phase. There are this type of sale phase: P0, L4, L3, L2P, L2C, L01, L0 close on this page. Then he has to mention the probability of win: 10%, 20%, up to 100%. Since we have we have make sales phase in line with probability. So if customer is choosing, if salesperson is choosing P0, then automatically 10% is coming. But you can make it P0 qualification stage, 50% you can do. You can change as per the will. Salesperson can change. Then here you have to maintain the total currency value. What is the total contract value of the opportunities? And he can mention the currency, which currency. Start date, end date, industry type, automatically I think it will come once I select this account. It will face the details from the account the account option. Then he has to give whether the NDA is signed, non-disclosure agreement is signed with the yes or no option. Then he has to give this entity also will come once there will be proper org structure defining at the beginning of establishing this tool. When the org structure defined, based on that the sales people belongs to which org structure, based on that the sales unit will reflect over here. Then there would be the expected value year 1, year 2, year 3, year 4. Then there would be gross margin. Then there should be payment terms. What are the payment terms for this for our records? Then they have to save it. Okay, so this is all about account leads and opportunities. Then coming to the reports. Coming to reports, these are all opportunity details. You can have create an master data details. Also, there is an option to broadcast. Okay, so suppose anybody wants regular report on every Wednesday, they want some type of report that can be designed in a SAP tool, and it will design and save automatically. System will throw that report every Wednesday at 6 p.m. to their mail ID. That is also possible here also. So all these reports are designed for the Into-IT internal purpose, wherever the Into-IT is mentioned. Apart from that, that should be what will be the next 30 days, next 60 days, next 90 days, closure reports, last quarter, quarterly reports, annual reports. There are so many frequency. Once the report builder is built in the system, it will help to get you any type of report from the system, as well as what is the system usage report also. Is the employee is with the salesperson using our system or not? That will also come. If they are using, what time they have logged in into the system, what exact time it will give the report will we can extract from the system. Such type of report is also possible in the CRM, SAP CRM. Apart from that, the dashboard is there also, but that is not configured properly. It was the dashboards section, home section, where the dashboard is there. Closing rate, closing deal report next 30 days, closing deal report next 90 days, next 60 days there is nothing. So as per the entry, it will reflect in the dashboard. These are all the tasks. So this is all about the CRM currently you are using. This is a standalone system, and there is no integration to any other tool over here.
Okay, so Jagmohan, yesterday we are discussing that there is a finance module. Can you show me that?
No, there is no finance module over here. So this is just purely standalone things. Okay.
Okay.
There was previously some finance is using some HANA, and HR is using SuccessFactor. So their SAP SuccessFactor. Okay. So they want to integrate all this SAP tool to one, but there is some reason that didn't happen. And but if you are building such product, only CRM won't help. Okay, there should be a financial, there should be complete package. That is my view. There should be complete package of like if you research for Odoo. Okay, if you go for Odoo now, there is a Odoo now, there market Odoo product is there.
Yeah, I know. Yeah.
Yeah, there it has CRM, it has invoicing system in one package. Okay, so once you configure all the system, you can get a master report from all the section, all the sub tools. So you can build a complete system in an organization. Okay, so
That's what yesterday that was discussed. What you are using in the finance modules, that only I wanted to see. SAP is SAP CRM module. I have already seen all that you spoke about. Now we have already listed those features in the document.
Yeah. Apart from that, when opportunity is created, that part is not configured. Okay, since we don't have investment for this tool. Okay, so that was not built. Once an opportunity is created, from opportunities you can convert these opportunities into sales quote, CUQUOT. Okay, sales quotation you can create. Okay, build on some forms and quotation you can form and send dispatch to the customer directly from the tool. Okay, but that functionality is not built. It is possible in SAP CRM, but it is not built in our system. And if you can integrate with HANA, then CRM ID also. See, actually, what other organization process follows now? This is the opportunities IDs. Okay, CRM IDs. From these CRM IDs, when finance people start billing, so he has to check that what is the opportunities ID against that billing, because system would allow billing until unless the opportunities is fully convertible. Okay, when it's fully converted and owned, and we have received the PO from the customer, the system will allow then. Means in other organization the process the follows, but here there is no automations, integration is there, so data is not flowing from one system to another system. So finance part, I am not the Spock, guys. Finance and the HR things, I'm not the Spock. You have to reach out to finance guys.
So, Jagmohan, Who is from finance?
So you can check with Manoj, HR. You can check with Rakesh. Okay. And check that how the success factor. If you want to check with HR related things, how success factor is running currently. They can help you. How they want to, and if there is any finance, how they do billing, you can reach out to either to Manoj on this. Okay. I'm
Manoj?
not Manoj. You can check with Manoj. So
Okay.
ask him that I want to know how the current, there is any SAP HANA tool where we do billing or not. If they say yes, you can check with them. South Africa teams use the HANA tool, but I don't know our internal Odisha business use it or not. So South Africa team, Pankaj his team use the SAP finance tool. About the Odisha business, I'm not sure. And apart from this, I have shared one document that is a detailed requirement along with the flow. It is everything is given in that document. If you want to go through, you will get a detailed understanding. Everything.
Sure.
I think that's all for my side. This.
So this one you are using for our India Odisha operation?
No, not for Odisha operation. You are using for South Africa. Earlier you were using for South Africa, EBS at Tarun's team. Okay.
Okay.
Now the issue has come down because there is no enhancement. Sales people are facing some issues. Means it is taking a lot of time. That there's no such automations. So there is no such business coming. So the issue has come down. Okay.
I see.
South Africa teams mostly now it is in use by the South Africa team.
So South Africa team and this, they have different database or single database having all those?
No,
details?
this is on cloud. This is on cloud. In one tool, everything is configured. If you see, uh, uh, everything is configured. Starting from CO, the proper
Okay.
org structure is defined. Okay. Starting from Rudra, there is definition of proper org structure. Then who will reporting to whom? Okay. And after the proper definition of org structure, there should be restricted access for each sales guy. Okay. Suppose I am the sales guy reporting to EPS Parichay, then I would only see my opportunities, my account is coming under EBS. Okay. I will not able to see other accounts. Okay.
Okay.
But admin can see across all. Okay.
Okay.
Yes, access. And the org structure details also, that might be the old one. What I shared, the org structure, how the flow, everything is explained in that document.
Okay. We'll go through the document, then we'll have a better picture.
Yeah. So hopefully this is for Odisha business, or there is something you want to build on and sell it outside.
Probably Janamani has that complete context, Jagmohan. I am also not very sure about that.
Okay.
So the usage part.
ठीक है, not an issue. ठीक है.
Okay, thanks, Jagmohan.
Thank you all. Thank you so much for joining.
Thank you. Thanks.
I have
Thank you.
another call also. Yeah.
Sure. So Jagmohan,
Yeah. Yes.
hope you have recorded this meeting.
I have recorded. Yeah.
Yeah.
I have recorded.
Just please share us the link.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Thank you. Because I missed in the beginning. So.
Sure.
Okay. Thank you so much.